Namaste. Amisha Khushro Bhatia. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to start a new topic, abortion. So, about what is abortion? Legally, abortion, a miscarriage means the premature expulsion of fetus from the mother's womb at any time of pregnancy before full term of pregnancy is completed. It is classified in two types, natural and artificial. Natural abortion can be spontaneous or accidental, and artificial can be therapeutic or criminal. Natural abortion. Natural abortion may occur at any time due to the natural causes. Within the first week, ovum may be passed off without being recognized. In abortions, during the first 2 months of pregnancy, the embryo is expelled intact, covered by the decidua vera. In later months, the fetus is born first, followed by the amniotic sac and placenta, and later on the decidual tissues. The products are expelled days or weeks after the death of the embryo. What are the causes of natural abortion? One of the causes can be defect in the ova, including chromosomal defect, is the most common cause of abortion in the first trimester. Second cause can be developmental defect of the fetus. Another cause can be low implantation of zygote or disease of decidua placenta or RH incompatibility. Some other causes can be retroverted uterus, submucous uterine fibroid, malformed uterus, uterine hypoplasia, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, hormonal deficiency, sudden shock, emotional disturbances, syphilis, nephritis, arsenic or lead toxicity, drug toxicity. Now, therapeutic abortion. Therapeutic abortion and criminal abortions are type of artificial abortion. In case of therapeutic abortion, abortion is justifiable only when it is done in good faith to save the life of the woman, and it is done by certified doctor. While criminal abortion is the induced destruction and expulsion of the fetus from womb of the mother unlawfully. Abortionist who performs abortion can be divided into the expert or medically qualified. Second one is the semi-skilled abortionist, such as midwives, nurses, chemists, etc. And the third one, the unskilled abortionist. Now, what are the legal aspects of abortion? In section 312 in the Indian Penal Code, it justifies the miscarriage, causing miscarriage, which is voluntary, causes a woman with child to miscarry. If such miscarriage is not done in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the woman, it can be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. If the woman be quick with child, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. A woman who causes herself to miscarry is within the meaning of this section. Under the section of 313 of IPC, causing miscarriage without woman's consent shall be punishable with imprisonment for life or for a term which may extend to 10 years, and shall also be liable to fine. In section 314 of IPC, death caused by act done with the intent to cause miscarriage shall be punished. with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. If the act is done without woman's consent, shall be punishable either with the imprisonment for life or with the punishment above mentioned. Under the section 315 of the IPC, if the act is done with intent to prevent child being born alive or to cause it to die after birth, if such act be not caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the mother, is punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years or with fine or with both. In section 316 in the IPC, causing death of quick unborn child by act amounting to culpable homicide shall be punished with imprisonment of either for a term up to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. In all these IPC sections, if the abortion is performed after prenatal sex determination test, the punishment and fine are more rigorous. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.